My name is Nisa Collins, here in the motherland of Samoa, ready to sit down with my band Island Vibes Funk and letting you into our world.
Taloa, we're Island Vibes Funk.
I have a friend, his name is Sam Tofilau. He hooked me up with Doris, who's at Brown Girl Woke, and then we just kind of dreamed up a concert here in Samoa. Our first year as a band, we had over 40 different events that we performed at, and since then we've just collaborated, made original music, and now we're here in Samoa working with Brown Girl Woke and putting on a little concert here at Taumesina Hotel.
Hello everyone, my name is Malusel Doris Tulipau. I'm the founder of Brown Girl Woke, a young feminist organization based in Apia, Samoa. Tonight we have the amazing Island Vibes Funk Band visiting from New Zealand and having a workshop, not with only Brown Girl Woke, but with other organizations that do arts as a safe and an outlet for young people.
Thanks to Brown Girl Woke, we were able to hold a workshop for performing artists. And so our concert is opened up by local artists, local talent, so a lot of those local artists came through to the workshop.
Yo, what up? It's me, Sammy Boy, right here, straight from 675.
My name is Abby Heather. My name is Rosai Bisibisa Alofa Oleola Solomona.
Telefalava, my name is Lars Gustav Bell, a.k.a. Just Escape 95. I am from Samoa. What I took away from today is pretty much community. Music and people sharing passions together, it brings together a group, and that's always beautiful.
Opportunities like this workshop comes along. It's an opportunity for me to refill my cup.
It's a really good experience too, like, to meet some other artists.
Tonight, it's just cool to be here in Samoa and to let the local artists really shine. They don't really have many opportunities here, like us in New Zealand. So they're all excited, and we're excited just to share what we do with our people here in Samoa.
It's also a chance for them to learn different skills. Some of them didn't even know what a sound check looked like. Some of them got taught by our soundie who came along with us how to rap chords properly so that it's good for the music that you're playing.
Our main event for you guys tonight, I'd like you to give it up for Island Vibe all the way from Aotearoa, New
Zealand. We've had some pretty different gigs over the past year, different crowds, so it's cool that we can have different types of music. Our genres, our taste of music, our repertoire, is able to play to different kind of crowds, and it's good for us too to sharpen our craft within that.
Everyone laughs at this. We always have a set list, and we have all these songs. But then if the next song is not the right song, and then we can just switch it up just like that. Oh, play this song, play that song.
It's been really exciting because so many things have happened during our gigs. We had a girl break her leg on the dance floor.
Sorry, that's not funny.
Yeah, just a fight in the middle of the dance floor.
Fire,
so different.
fire.
We had a fire happen on a table. So we just experienced so many things at different events that, we do not expect. So we always are ready to expect the unexpected.
Yep, and the show must go on. My highlight was just being back home. It's good seeing family and friends, just catching up with them as well during our downtime.
I really do feel like we should visit more islands after this. This is just the beginning of our island journey. We're Island Vibes, so we're going to go to the islands.
Yes.
Yeah. Makes sense.
We went into a primary school. What was the primary school?
Vaiala Beach.
Vaiala Beach School. They greeted us with a song and a siva. They were so grateful to have people just come into their school and share knowledge. Music brings everyone together. I think we've proven that. The amount of gigs we've done and the different crowds we've gone to.
Man, I just want to leave my admiration for a lot of the artists that are here, man. It's so cool. Everything that you learn here on the homeland is what's going to make you the best that you can be when you venture out into the world, because it's your identity, it's who you are. You carry that everywhere that you go.